I'm Sharon from Hahndorf Walking Tours on the main street of Hahndorf. Now, it's inevitable that you're going to hear cars, but I am here for a very special reason because I'm introducing you to two lovely ladies. Come closer. This is Kristy and this is Loraine, and they do the walking tours with me, and they are so great. So if you get a walking tour with one of these ladies, you are in for a good talk. Now, I want to introduce Kristy because she's got a really special story to tell us. So, tell us all about your history, Kristy.
Thanks, Sharon. I lived in Hahndorf for about 15 years, and only a few years ago I discovered that I'm a descendant of one of the founding families of Hahndorf. And Christian Pfeiffer here is listed. That is my ancestor. So it's a really special story, and I'm so honoured to be telling the story of Hahndorf with Hahndorf.
Thanks, Kristy. And Loraine, she is such a good friend as well, and she's got a different aspect to the village. Tell us about your time here in Hahndorf and what interests you most.
Well, Sharon, I've been visiting Hahndorf with my parents from a very young age. When I was a child, they used to bring us up here on weekends, and we used to visit, and I was fascinated with the history and the background of Hahndorf. So I was really pleased when Sharon asked me to join in Hahndorf Walking Tours. And I also speak German. I'm first generation Australian. My parents came over from Germany in 1956. So they weren't one of the founding families, but yeah, I have retained some of the language, although I don't get to use it very often.
So sprechen Sie Deutsch. If you sprechen Sie Deutsch, come on a tour.
Ich spreche ein bisschen Deutsch. Bisschen Deutsch.
Nein, not me.
Feeling.
Okay, so folks, these lovely ladies, you'll see them around, and I just want you to welcome them to the walking tours and book online for Hahndorf Walking Tours. Auf Wiedersehen.
Auf Wiedersehen.